Hello, and welcome to this easy mindfulness little light meditation designed for the beginner or for practicing with a beginner's mind. Find a safe and comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Whichever position is fine, as long as the spine is aligned and the mind and the body can be relaxed yet remain focused. Throughout the meditation, be gentle with yourself. Observe without judgment, without expectation, without forcing anything to happen. Once you're settled and comfortable, close your eyes and bring your attention and awareness to your nose. Inhale, feel the cool air entering through the nostrils. Exhale, feel the warm air releasing through the nostrils. Inhale. Exhale. Observing the flow and sensation of the breath in and out of the nose. Inhaling, feeling the cool air around the nose rushing in. Exhaling, feeling the warm air exiting around the nostrils and upper lip. If you find yourself getting distracted or lost in thought, don't try to tune it out. It's perfectly normal. Observe and acknowledge that you're thinking or distracted without judgment, and bring yourself back to the flow of your breath, in and out of the nose. Inhaling cool air entering the nose. Exhale warm air exiting the nose. Inhale, cool air rushes in. Exhale, warm air releases. You may find it helpful to stay tethered to the breath by repeating the action to yourself in your mind. Say to yourself, inhaling. As you inhale, focusing on the cool air flowing in through the nose. And say exhaling to yourself as you exhale, warm air flowing out of the nose. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhaling, exhaling, air releases. And if you wander, notice the thoughts the same way you notice the breath, without judgment, and bring your attention back. Inhaling, cool air rushes in. Exhaling, warm air releases from the nose. Repeat on your own for a few more breaths, trying not to force or change anything, just being mindful of the air flowing in and out, cultivating appreciation for this powerful life force that flows easily to you and through you. As you inhale and exhale. On your next inhale, bring your attention back to your physical body. Trying not to focus on the times your mind wandered, but instead on the success of being able to notice your thoughts and bringing yourself back to the breath, because that's where the magic happens. When you're ready, wiggle your fingers and your toes, and with a soft smile on your lips, gently open your eyes. In The Miracle of Mindfulness, an introduction to the practice of meditation, Thich Nhat Hanh wrote, "Breath is the bridge which connects life to consciousness, which unites your body to your thoughts. Whenever your mind becomes scattered, use your breath as the means to take hold of your mind again. May you go into the rest of your day being anchored by your breath, and may your little light always shine bright. Namaste."